morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm back from LA and it was so fun. Very exhausted. You can definitely see my eye bags right now. I got pretty tanned in LA. It is Canada Day, so gonna enjoy the nice weather and yeah. Backjung now has all you can eat, so we decided to check it out and it was 10 out of 10. I really enjoyed the quality of the meat and they had a wide selection of side dishes and different appetizers to choose from. So definitely recommend checking it out if you're craving Korean barbecue. It is Stampede time. This is day one of Badlands, heading off to Tiesto. This is my fit. I actually have some cowboy boots. So excited to be a little bit more festive this time around. So playing around with a little bit more browns because I am wearing a lot of like brown colors, very cowgirl vibes. So yeah, a little bit more glam than what I normally do, but it's Stampede. Really going hard on the outfits this year. And yeah, let's go have some fun. Currently at Stampede right now.
Until next time, make some fucking noise! Calgary, you ready to build?
All right, we are rallying here. This is the outfit for Zedd tonight.
What's up, Calgary? And I played here a couple years ago and it was amazing, but holy crap, tonight was fucking insane.
seriously, I want to thank you so much for your energy because I don't take it for granted. And even seeing all of you guys in the very back, jumping and partying with all of us right here, and all of you guys behind me too. Seriously. Sing it loud!
All right, guys, we are still going strong for Stampede, or I should just say Badlands. Tonight is Subtronics and Zedd's Dead. So excited. You guys know how much I love Subtronics. Yeah, this is a glam. I'm kind of going black today, and yeah, super excited. I'm gonna call an Uber soon, and I will see you there.
Brain rhythm. Give me scratchy, itchy brain rhythm. Give me like eager. Wonky ass music. No logos.
So I think it's not like I might have
Hey guys, I am off to the grounds today. I've lost track of time. Today there is no Badlands event that I'm going to. We're just going to walk around, eat some delicious carnival food, Stampede food, and yeah, I think we're just gonna chill, walk around. Still very Stampede-ish. I'm wearing a white dress and a jeans jacket. Alright, we are here at Stampede Grounds and we are going to eat some of the food here. We honestly weren't really drawn to very much, but we did decide to get the Spam Bao. It's shrimp tempura with pineapple and Spam. So we gave this a go. This was $25, but it was actually really hard to eat because it was just so loaded and my bun kind of like ripped in half. But overall, I think the Spam made the bun, so I don't know if I would pay $25 again for this item, but I guess it was nice to try. Next up, we decided to get some ribs because we wanted to compare our homemade ribs versus these ones, and we got a new smoker, so we're really excited to make our own ribs at home. So we are just here for market research. And of course, some Stampede classics. We're definitely getting a lemonade as well as some mini donuts. We are waiting in line for mini donuts. It is a Stampede staple. And that's a wrap for Stampede. It was a crazy 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.